the president of a homeowners association in Parañaque urges the local government to expand their power in addressing crimes and illegal activities. This is in light of the POGO operations in Multinational Village. Its Homeowners Village Association President Julio Templo Nuevo said they are limited to screening people entering their village. Templo Nuevo said association officers should have the power to screen people before even renting a space in their village. This is to prevent the influx of illegal Chinese workers in their area.
Isa pang limitation namin yun, wala kaming police power na pasukin yung bahay. Ang pwede namin gawin, sa gate lang. Ang powers lang namin is makontrol yung titira. Ngayon, kung marami sila, we can always... Usually, ang ginagawa ko, tinatanggalan ko na sticker. Yung ano nila, yung vehicle nila. Mag-legislate na rin yung local government para kung anong pwedeng control sa ganyan. Including siguro ma'am yung may iniisip ako pero may nagsabi sa ibang bago ka magparenta yung owner, I think has to be approved by the board.
Parang sa mga cooperative na condo na before a tenant can stay in the building, magbubutuhan sila, may background check pa. So ata yan ang gusto mangyari sa mga subdivision. Kasi
especially
right now,
dyan sa Parañaque kasi may
POGO.
mga POGO-related.
Pero in general kasi local government units, ang code nila is anybody can buy, wala namang background check yan eh. Basta titignan yung amilyar, yung tax returns, that's it. You can pay for the lot, yun na yun. Ang sinasabi niya, may approval process, di ba?
Kasi nga meron daw dyan, I was checking it kanina, meron daw relation, kaugnayan yung Bambam Pogo sa Parañaque scamming. Kaya iniimbestigahan nila. And syempre, yung mga residents doon are alarmed, diba, over this situation.